Okay, dear students, welcome to all of you. Today we are seeing the working of the PLC through the block diagram, through the uh, flow graph, and what is the basic block diagram of the PLC. Now, first, see the PLC can be easily understood as a cyclic scanning method that what is happening, there is a organizational block and we start the cycle time monitoring. After that, it read the data from the input module. There are several input output module in the PLC. जो हमारी PLC होती है उसमें फर्स्ट वी सी व्हाट इज द इनपुट और आउटपुट मॉड्यूल्स हमारे क्या होते हैं. Through the input module, we capture the different type of the input through the different type of the sensors in the field. We can capture that signal through the input modules and output module provide the output. So there can be several input output module like 8 input output module, 16 input output module. According to that, the cost of the PLC will increase. So it means that through the input module, we will provide the data input through the user program working. After that, we give the input and we already burn the program in the PLC memory like in the ladder logic language that we see how it works. The ladder logic के through we have given the program to the PLC. Now the data through this is written into the output module and finally it operates the task. It takes the task. So in this manner and until we have the input, the process is repeated. In this manner, through this process, our PLC will work. So we can understood here in the language form the PLC scan process. There are the following steps. The operating system starts cycling and monitoring of the time, and the CPU starts reading the data from the input module and check the status of all the input. PLC जो हमारा है वो सारे इनपुट जो हमारे मॉड्यूल्स हैं उनसे डाटा को रीड करता है एंड चेक करता है. CPU स्टार्ट एग्जीक्यूट द यूजर और एप्लीकेशन प्रोग्राम. जो हमने प्रोग्राम दिया है उसको PLC का जो CPU उसमें लैडर लॉजिक प्रोग्रामिंग में इसको रीड करता है एंड परफॉर्म ऑल द इंटरनल डायग्नोसिस एंड कम्युनिकेशन टास्क. सीपीयू अगर कोई इंटरनल कोई प्रॉब्लम है उस डायग्नोसिस को फाइंड आउट करता है एंड देन फाइनली अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रोग्राम रिजल्ट इट राइट द डाटा इनटू द आउटपुट मॉड्यूल और फाइनली ये आउटपुट मॉड्यूल में डाटा को रीड लिखता है. This process continues as long as the PLC is in run mode. जब तक ये प्रोसेस हमारा कंटिन्यूस रहेगा जब तक कि हमारी PLC रन मोड में रहती है. आफ्टर द रन मोड दिस प्रोसेस विल स्टॉप. तो जो ये हमारा प्रोसेस है ये जब तक PLC हम रनिंग मोड में रखेंगे दैट विल टेक प्लेस. Here we see the physical structure. It is like the computer. जो हमारा कंप्यूटर होता है उसी की तरह इसमें इनपुट आउटपुट डिवाइस as we have seen in the last lecture. If anyone ask the in the exam the block diagram of the PLC, then it is the simple block diagram of the PLC. Now it contains the input sensing devices, like it can be in the form of the switches, different type के switches, sensors. We get the input, and through the input module that enter in the central processing unit that called the CPU. There can be output devices in the different form. We can observe the output like the buzzer. We can glow the bulb. We can operate the some analog device. And here is the programming device. Generally, we can do the program with the PC also. So generally, what happen? PLC is interface with the कंप्यूटर. पीएलसी को हम एक कंप्यूटर से इंटरफेस कर देते हैं. We do the programming through the PC, and that program is burned in that PLC memory. उस प्रोग्राम को हम PLC की मेमोरी में बर्न कर देते हैं, और that will run this system. There can be more than one input module, there can be more than one output module. The programmable logic controller continuously monitor the input values from various input sensing device, like it can be accelerometer, weight scale, hardwired signals. There can be several type of sensors through which it takes the input the signal, and it produces corresponding output depending on the nature of the production of the industry. A typical block diagram of the PLC mainly have the five parts. The major, as we have seen here, the major five parts of the PLC are the rack or chassis is the first part. We can say it is the first part of the PLC. Then second is the power supply module, that is also important. Third is the central processing unit. Fourth is the input-output module, and fifth one is the communication interface module. So these are the basic five part of the PLC. ये जो हमारे पांच पार्ट होंगे, these are the important. Now we will focus one by one on each part. Many time if there is पावर सप्लाई में प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है तो हमारा पीएलसी वर्क करना बंद कर देगा, एंड इट कैन बी रिपेयर. इसको रिपेयर किया जा सकता है इन द लेबोरेटरी. इनपुट आउटपुट मॉड्यूल should also work properly. And rack and chassis, as we see the first part is the rack and chassis. तो रैक जो हमारी होती है that is used to fix the input output module. The PLC rack or chassis form the most important module and act as a backbone to the system. PLCs are available in different shape and size, so rack and chassis will be on the different shape and size, and they should be adaptable. A small size PLC with a fixed input output pin configuration. So they have gone for modular type rack of PLCs which accept the different type of the input output module with sliding and fit in concept. All input output module will be residing inside this rack chassis. It is the input output sections. We can say it is the अरेंजमेंट होगा पीएलसी का. जो हमारा इनपुट आउटपुट जो रैक और चेसिस है उसका अरेंजमेंट इस तरह का होता है. एंड इट कैन वी कैन पुट द वन मॉड्यूल हियर, like we can see it is the different module, one module, second module, third module, fourth module, all the input output modules. And it is the power supply system. So all the modules are fixed in this rack and chassis के अंदर इनको फिक्स किया जा सकता है. If any problem occur in particular module, suppose it is the first module, it is the second module, it is the input module, and it is the output module. And then it is a second input module, it is a second output module. Then if the problem occur in particular input module, we draw it, इसको हम बाहर निकालेंगे और इसको वापस से इसकी जगह उस समय दूसरा मॉड्यूल भी लगा सकते हैं जो कि ऑलरेडी रिपेयर्ड कंडीशन में है हमारे पास अवेलेबल। अदरवाइज व्हाट वी विल डू, हम क्या करेंगे कि जो इस मॉड्यूल को निकाल कर दूसरा मॉड्यूल हमने लगा दिया और उसको रिपेयर करके वापस हम इसको वहाँ पर लगा देंगे। तो these modules are easily repairable. Basically they contain the electronic card, इनके अंदर हमारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कार्ड्स होते हैं। they contain the several resistance, capacitance, several inductor components are inbuilt, and if there is a problem in any component then that can be replaced easily. So we can say that the what is the PLC का जो हमारा आर्किटेक्चर है, basically that contain the different part like the CPU, input output module, programming device, and we should learn. Okay, thank you very much.